How to redeem a Twitch gift card online. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can redeem a Twitch gift card online. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up a web browser and head over to twitch.tv and give a slash and type in redeem. So this is the website right here. So yeah, I'll just head over to this website. So as you can see, this is the website right here. After you're on this website, what you'll need to do here is first you'll need to enter a valid code and then tap on redeem. Also make sure if you have not logged in, tap on the login button on the top right and then enter a valid code. After you do that, tap on redeem and you'll have redeemed your gift card, and it's basically that simple. And yeah, that is all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to hit the like button down below, and if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Bye bye, take care.